What if I told you that ordinary people right now are quietly turning spare bedrooms and garages into tiny factories? Some of these setups are clearing over $1,000 a day. No warehouse, no employees, just one machine, a folding table, and a bit of creativity. In this video, I'm walking you through 20 small factories you can run from home. Machines that turn simple ideas into products people buy every single day. And stick around for number one, because that one surprised even me. Let's get into it. But before we dive in, if you want the exact machine links for everything I'm about to show you, comment "send URLs" and I'll drop them straight to you. Premium candle manufacturing. The candle industry pulls in over $3 billion a year in the United States alone, and here's the part most people miss. 65% of those sales happen all year round, not just around the holidays. Starting your candle line only needs basic wax melting gear, good molds, wicks, and quality fragrance oils. The process itself is almost embarrassingly simple. Melt the wax, blend in your scent and color, pour and let it set. What actually separates the people making real money from the hobbyists is one thing: fragrance sells before anything else does. Build scent profiles that tell a story, and customers will pay premium prices without blinking. 3D printing service. The global 3D printing market is racing toward $32 billion by 2025, and that's opening the door for home printing services everywhere. With one reliable desktop printer, you become the go-to for inventors, hobbyists, and small businesses that need a custom part fast. You'll need a solid FDM or resin printer, a range of filaments or resins, and some basic design software. Clients send you their files, and you print everything from a broken appliance knob to a one-of-a-kind figurine. The real beauty is how this scales. Line up 2, 3, 4 printers running at once, and your bedroom suddenly looks like an actual factory floor. Custom phone case manufacturing. The smartphone accessories market hit $25 billion globally in 2024, and personalized cases are leading that charge. To start, stock blank cases for popular phone models, grab a sublimation printer or UV printer, and learn basic design software. Heat transfer methods let you apply photos, graphics, or text fast, or you can go straight to direct UV printing for a sharper finish. The trick almost nobody talks about is going after the niches the big brands ignore. Local school logos, family photos, profession-specific designs, inside jokes turned into memes. Every new phone release creates a fresh wave of demand. Stick to UV-resistant inks and proper sealing, and your cases will outlast the trend they were printed for. Organic pet treat manufacturing. Pet owners are spending over $7 billion a year on treats, and the organic, natural options are commanding the highest prices. Your factory can start right in your kitchen. A good oven or food dehydrator, mixing bowls, and packaging supplies. Build recipes around oat flour, peanut butter, and pumpkin, and stay far away from harmful fillers. Baked biscuits and dehydrated meat strips are the easiest place to begin. Check your state's cottage pet food rules first. Most allow home production with a simple registration. Package everything in sealable containers with clean ingredient labels. Then sell through local pet boutiques, farmers markets, and the online communities where pet parents are already hunting for healthier options. Custom t-shirt printing. Personalized apparel keeps climbing, fueled by demand for one-off designs and event merchandise. Your setup needs a heat press, transfer vinyl or a vinyl cutter, blank shirts, and basic design skills. Heat transfer vinyl gives you durability and a clean look. Sublimation gives you bright, permanent color. And once you're handling bulk orders, screen printing becomes worth the investment. Go after sports teams, schools, family reunions, and small businesses that need promo shirts fast. The detail that keeps customers coming back is simple. Prints that survive 20 washes without cracking. Lock in relationships with a few event planners, and you'll have a quiet stream of repeat orders all year. Sock manufacturing. The novelty sock market hit $4.5 billion in 2024 and is on track to cross $7 billion by 2033. People want faces, pets, and inside jokes printed on their feet. You can go two routes here. compact circular knitting machines that build socks from yarn, or buying plain sock blanks and dye sublimating custom designs onto them. Face socks and pet portrait socks are absurdly popular online right now. The printing route needs sublimation gear and polyester blanks, while knitting needs yarn stock and a bit of pattern know-how. Whichever path you choose, the designs that spark conversation are the ones that sell, and comfortable, well-made socks are what bring people back for a second pair. Eco-friendly bag production. With plastic bag bans spreading fast, the reusable bag market hit $12 billion in 2025 and is still growing 8% a year. You'll need a solid sewing machine, sustainable fabric like organic cotton or recycled polyester, and reliable cutting tools. Start with the simplest tote pattern, 2 rectangles and sturdy handles, then branch into more advanced designs. Pair your sewing with printing so you can stamp on custom graphics or business logos. Lean hard into the environmental angle. One bag replaces thousands of plastic ones over its lifetime. Target eco-conscious shoppers and local businesses that want branded bags for their customers and events. Planter manufacturing. With 66% of American households owning houseplants, this market isn't slowing down anytime soon. You've got 3 lanes here: wooden planters with basic woodworking tools, concrete planters with molds and a mixer, or upcycled containers turned into something nobody else has. Wooden appeals to the rustic eco crowd, while concrete pulls in the modern geometric look that succulent lovers love. What separates a planter people pay for from one they scroll past is drainage, water retention, and a design detail that feels intentional. Concrete work does need proper ventilation and disposal planning, so don't skip that part. Sell through plant shops, craft fairs, and online, leaning on both function and looks. Custom label manufacturing. Small businesses and event planners need custom labels constantly, and inside the $50 billion professional printing industry, small orders are exactly what big shops ignore. You'll need a high-resolution printer, assorted label stock, design software, and ideally a vinyl cutter for custom shapes. Serve local makers, bakeries, event planners, and small businesses that need a professional look in tiny quantities. Wedding favors, farmers market goods, and handmade products all need labeling that doesn't scream homemade. Offer waterproof labels, custom die-cut shapes, and fast turnarounds the big shops won't bother with. One smudged or crooked label reflects on your client, so precision here isn't optional. Injection molding small parts. Desktop injection molding machines now run under $400, which puts real manufacturing power inside a home workshop. Pair that with 3D printing for your molds, and you can produce custom knobs, clips, replacement widgets, and toy parts at scale. You'll need the molding machine itself, plastic pellets, and a way to make molds through printing or light machining. This bridges the gap between a one-off 3D print and full mass production, perfect for short runs of functional parts. Inventors needing prototypes, hobbyists needing specific pieces, and homeowners hunting for a part that's been discontinued for years are all customers waiting to find you. Ultrasonic welding assembly. Ultrasonic welding fuses materials instantly using high-frequency vibration, no adhesives, no fasteners, which makes it ideal for specialized manufacturing jobs most people don't even know exist. Your setup is a benchtop ultrasonic welder, the right fixtures, and a few different horn attachments. This technology is excellent for sealing plastic enclosures, bonding non-woven fabrics, and creating strong joints for medical devices or electronics. Local manufacturers, inventors, and product developers needing small batch assembly are your market. Because the welds create hermetic seals, this is perfect for protective cases and waterproof enclosures, and because so few people offer this service, you can charge accordingly. Snack dehydrator manufacturing. The healthy snacks market hit $95 billion in 2023 and keeps climbing as people chase preservative-free alternatives. Your factory runs on food dehydration equipment, producing gourmet dried fruit, vegetable chips, and specialty jerky. Apple chips, mango slices, kale chips, and custom seasoned veggies all appeal directly to health-conscious buyers. Partner with local farms for wholesale produce, The process is slice, season, dehydrate overnight, then pack in moisture-proof containers. Check your state's cottage food laws first, since most allow dried fruit production straight from a home kitchen. Unique flavor combinations and premium packaging are what push your prices above the supermarket shelf. Spice grinding operations. The global spice and seasoning market sits at $29 billion, and more consumers than ever want fresh ground artisan blends instead of the stale jars at the grocery store. You'll need heavy-duty grinders, fine sieves for consistent texture, precision scales, and airtight storage. Source whole spices in bulk, then roast and grind to order so every batch is at peak freshness. Build signature blends, custom curry powders, barbecue rubs, seasonal mixes that tell a story in one whiff. That aroma alone pulls customers toward your table at a farmer's market. Quilting machine services. With 9 to 11 million active quilters across the United States, there's enormous demand for finishing work. Most hobby quilters can piece a beautiful top but don't have the equipment or the patience to finish it. A long arm quilting machine makes you their solution. These machines glide over large quilt sandwiches, stitching the intricate patterns that turn patchwork into a finished heirloom. Offer custom quilting, memory quilts pieced from old t-shirts or baby clothes, and full quilts built from scratch. Market through fabric stores, quilting groups, and online forums where quilters are already searching for someone reliable. One good finish, and that referral chain writes itself. Screen printing operations. The custom screen printing market reached $5.5 billion in 2024, driven by custom apparel, promo items, and art prints. You'll need screens, squeegees, ink, and curing equipment in a properly ventilated space. The process is creating a photo emulsion stencil, pushing ink through the screen, then heat curing for lasting durability. Start with water-based inks, easier to manage at home and better for the environment. Local bands, sports teams, businesses, and event organizers all need merchandise in quantities too small for big print shops to bother with. Screen printing beats digital for bold, limited color designs every time, and that's exactly the look that shows off what you can do. Metal spinning workshop. Metal spinning turns flat metal discs into three-dimensional shapes, bowls, lampshades, industrial components, using specialized lathes and forming tools. This traditional trade quietly serves niches mass production has no interest in touching. From custom automotive parts to artisan home decor, you'll need a metal spinning lathe, forming tools, safety gear, and sheet metal like aluminum, copper, or brass. The process spins a disc at high speed while you gradually shape it over a mandrel by hand. Custom car builders, lighting designers, and industrial clients needing small formed metal batches are exactly who's searching for someone with this skill. Thermoforming packaging solutions. The thermoforming packaging industry tops $50 billion globally, and small product makers everywhere are struggling to find affordable custom packaging. Your setup uses a vacuum forming machine to shape heated plastic sheets over a mold, producing blister packs, trays, and protective inserts. You'll want a tabletop vacuum former, thermoplastic sheets, and mold materials. Wood or even 3D printed forms work fine. Local artisans, electronics makers, and food producers all need professional grade packaging in small runs. Build custom molds for unique product shapes, and you become the affordable option that lets small businesses finally compete with the big guys on the shelf. Glass fusing studio. The art glass market reached $6.8 billion in 2024, with fused glass pieces commanding serious premiums for their craftsmanship. You'll need an electric kiln that hits 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit, compatible art glass, cutting tools, and proper safety gear. Layer colored glass and fuse it through controlled heating cycles to create jewelry, decorative plates, sun catchers, and artistic tiles. Every piece comes out one of a kind, which is exactly what buyers hunting for unique decor and gifts are after. Sell through art fairs, galleries, and online marketplaces built around handcrafted work, and rotate in seasonal pieces to keep loyal customers coming back. Ceramic 3D printing services. This one blends cutting-edge tech with old-world pottery and the market is expanding nearly 30% a year. You'll need a ceramic 3D printer, clay materials, and traditional kiln firing equipment. Print intricate vases, architectural tiles, custom dinnerware, and sculptural pieces that would be nearly impossible by hand alone. Architects want custom tiles, artists want complex geometry, and everyday buyers want something personalized on their shelf. The process prints with clay paste, dries slowly to avoid cracking, then fires to its final strength. Design professionals, artists, and buyers chasing something genuinely unique are exactly who you're building for. Traditional pottery workshop. And finally, number one, the one I told you to wait for. Handcrafted pottery has never gone out of style, and more consumers than ever are choosing artisan pieces over mass-produced ceramics for their homes and tables. Your workshop needs a potter's wheel, a kiln, clay, glazes, and a basic set of forming tools. Make functional pieces, mugs, bowls, planters, alongside decorative work that shows off your style. The cycle is throwing on the wheel, trimming, drying, bisque firing, glazing, and a final firing, a process that takes weeks but produces something that actually lasts. Stick to food-safe glazes for anything functional, and let the handcrafted imperfection be the selling point mass production simply can't fake. If one of these sparked an idea, don't just sit on it. Share this with the friend or family member who's been saying they want to start something but doesn't know where to begin. And before you go, don't forget to join our free business community, because the next video might just be the machine that gets you started.